As part of the Beyond Clean series, we're going to go through the uprights N12, starting with the cord restraint, everything built into it. Just simply removing and twisting this up will allow you access to the cord to remove the cord. That is a standard 40-foot cable that comes with it, with a ground built in, and go over the actual piece of equipment itself, starting with the base. This is the swivel version. So the base is going to actually swivel and pivot. The base is removable, and taking and removing just with a simple pin, pulling the head from the base off. It is a true two motor. Most of the machines are now one motor machines. This has one motor driving the brush, one motor driving the vacuum. The easy access points, an easy clean out. To take the brush off, you simply push on the side here, that rolls up and the bearing block comes off, and then we're able to remove the whole brush mechanism. That just simply goes into there. They can leave this extended out, put this on here, and just take and clip and lock this back into position here. There is also one other clean out port, which is here. You can lift this up to get at any debris that would be clogged in here. Again, it is a two motor, so there's a lot of pull, a lot of suctional water lift, so that it tends not to plug up, but if something does plug up, it's easy to get at. With the base, there is no automatic adjustments. It's all manual, 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you dial this down to 4, the wheel comes out further. As you dial it to 1 and 2, the wheel goes up inside the body. It also has indicator lights telling you if you have too much pressure on the floor or too little pressure on the floor. There's 4 positions on here to hold the neck into the base. One on this side, one on this side, one on the front, one on the back. Once they put the base on, it automatically connects to the electrical. There's no need to power the electrical to the base, it's automatic. When you're using it, the debris is coming up through the top, up through the side. They can take the hose, pop the hose off. Again, we have our crevice tool, our dusting brush, and our wand built in. They're just taking this off of here, putting it into here, doing detail work this way, or they can take it, hold this in one hand and do the detail work this way, or they can literally put this in this position so they don't have to hold that to do more detail work. To put it all back in, it's simply just disconnect, disconnect, place, connect, put the tube back into the side and pop it into here. As the debris comes into the top, it's a top fill bag. There's a pinch point where you put your finger in one spot, your thumb in the other, and you're able to pull the bag out. And then the bag has a closure built into it, so when you are dumping it, there's not dust and debris coming out. This bag is an S-class filtration, much like HEPA. And also there's pleats on the inside for ribs to allow for airflow. And then a secondary filter just to protect any debris. We can take the bag again. I'm gonna take this, open this back up. The points, finger here, thumb here. It's actually made with a groove so that when they put this into place, pops in, there's 2 little teeth where it fits into the top. This little arm on the side will keep it so that the lid actually will close once that's in place. Simply just take this, push from the side like so, and the lid is locked back into position. And then from there, just a matter of lowering the foot level on the side. And this is the swivel version, so that it's actually gonna pivot this way. And you're, instead of pushing the machine to the side, you're actually steering it to the side. So you're able to get around objects without having to move your body up and back and over. You're able to take it and turn the corner just by flicking the wrist left and right. It'll lock back in the center position and then up in here. It's also built in. They're supposed to step on this to pull it down. If they step on the front, it's actually designed to release. The cord restraint's also built into it. From there, it's an on-off, and then a red light or our green light will come on. It's a cog belt system. If you pull up something into the belt, it's going to automatically shut off, remove the debris, remove the rag, remove the sock, remove the bedding, what have you. Turn this machine off, turn it back on, it will automatically reset itself. Or simply lift up the power head, remove the debris, put the power head back down, it will automatically restart again. Removing the exhaust filter, pushing the pin, removing the filter from the top, pulling the plastic sleeve. As you can see, there's some carbon dust already on here. And to put this back on, put the plastic piece in, holding some friction, putting the next piece in, putting this down and back in, putting the clips back on, taking this, pinching it together, having it click, and pushing it out of the way. Thanks for hanging out with us on Beyond Clean. Hopefully you picked up some tips to make your cleaning routine even smoother. If you have questions or want to check out more, we've got plenty waiting for you online. Remember, we're always here to help. See you next time.